So I'm a 20-year veteran of aerospace. I spent a considerable amount of time in the military and deployed. I've seen a lot of, which it basically informed my holistic thinking. The Marine Corps operates on basically a holistic doctrine, and it kind of experientially informed how best to make an organization and also to integrate technology together with overlap and holism to maximize your performance. Today, I kind of want to capture that a lot of that experience from both the military and civil design engineering. A little bit of a disclaimer: a lot of this, I I'm going to be giving some rough generalizations, so kind of suspend judgment in the sense that there is a lot of nuance to a lot of what I'm positing in this lecture that can't particularly be addressed. So look at this in sort of the real basis of holism is the general spirit of the system and the general spirit of the take back of what you're getting. So instead of looking into specifically the details of what I'm saying, more or less understand the system of thinking that comes as a result. I'm not sharing yet.
No.
Let me.
I always say I'm a visual learner, so I like visuals. They help me.
Yeah. Can you see me now?
No.
Let's do this one. With that. All right. So let's begin with a couple of principles and axioms and definitions to basically build the groundwork for the understanding, the idea of the mindset of holism. Holism in itself is both a practice and a mindset, and it lives in the space of definition. So I kind of wanted to start laying the groundwork, and then I'm going to move into some case studies so we can sort of parse out how holism or lack of holism has essentially made technology fall short, and how is it also improved performance, and how is that in a real world sense, how has that been capitalized upon? So first is a problem statement. Today's greatest technology breakthroughs, electric aircraft, renewable energy, IoT, AI integration, are falling short not from inadequate components, but the absent systems level thinking. In the case studies that I'm gonna show is essentially what this looks like from a comparative perspective, and also a case by case perspective of both what good looks like and what patchwork looks like. And I hesitate to say what bad looks like because it's not necessarily bad. And this is where we in the industry start running into an issue when we kind of say this or that instead of this and that. Holism brings an optimization, a maximization of performance. And oftentimes, the existence or non-existence of holism, either patchwork or holism, makes or breaks the actual economic and performance viability of a technology.